Hello students and welcome in your maths class. I am Mrs. Sheetal Chauhan from New Catholic Mission School, Chapwa, and today I am going to continue our chapter number 6, squares and square root. So in previous video we have discussed about squares and how to find the square. Now today we have to find out how to find out square root by different method. Okay, so let's see our new topic, square root. So children, in previous video you have seen how we can find square. That means if a number is multiplied by itself, then we get its square. And then now today we have to discuss about square root. So square root, it means that it is just inverse of a square. Okay, for example, like here 2. So when you do the square of 2, so 2 into 2, 4. So just opposite of it. Opposite, that means what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Means अगर हम 2 का स्क्वायर करते हैं तो हमें 4 मिलेगा, और अगर आप ये फाइंड करें कि 4 किसका स्क्वायर रूट है, दैट इज ऑफ 2. ओके, सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2. सो टुडे वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, सो लेट्स सी एक्सरसाइज 6.3, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके, so here first question is, what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following number. अब आपको क्या given है कि what is the possible ones digit. Ones digit, that means the unit place number, that is last number. तो possible ones digit क्या होगा of the square root of given number. Means जो given number है इसका अगर हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करते हैं तो उस स्क्वायर रूट का यूनिट प्लेस नंबर क्या होगा, वंस डिजिट नंबर क्या होगा. सो लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट वी टेक आवर फर्स्ट नंबर, दैट इज 9801. सो फॉर दिस चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस टेबल. ओके, इन दिस टेबल वी आर गेटिंग हियर व्हेन वी आर doing the square of 1, we are getting 1, square of 2, 4 and so on. So here are the square from 1 to 10. ये इसके square है, और this one are the square root of this number. Means 1 का square root क्या होगा 1, 4 का square root क्या होगा 2, 49 का square root होगा 7. Okay, so here we have to see the last number, last digit number. Like here we have our first number is 9801. So we concentrate on our last digit number. So last digit is 1. So here in this table you have to see where 1 comes. Okay, so here is the 1 and then here is the 1. That means 1 is the square of 1 and this one is the square of 9. मीन्स ये दो नंबर का स्क्वायर हो सकता है, दैट इज 1 और 9. सो द पॉसिबल वंस डिजिट नंबर ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर इज 1 और 9. इसलिए नंबर कंप्लीट नंबर कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट आपसे क्या पूछा है कि सिर्फ उसका वंस डिजिट नंबर क्या होना चाहिए. देयरफॉर द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9801 इज आइदर 1 or 9. For this type of question always you have to see this table. Means आपको टेबल कहाँ से देखनी है, स्क्वायर देखना है 1 से लेकर 10 तक. Now next number is our 99856. Now last digit is 6. So 6, here we see the square. So in the 6 is here also and here also. So this 6 is the square of 4 and this 6 is the square of 6. तो यूनिट प्लेस नंबर पॉसिबल कौन से हैं, आइदर 4 और आइदर 6. Okay, then third one is again 1. So 1 के लिए हमने अभी देखा in first question it is 1 or 9. Then next one have last digit number is 5. 5. So we have to see in the table where 5 comes. In this table only here 5 comes, that is 25, and 25 is the square of 5. अगर हम last digit देखें that is 5, so it is the square of 5. So here the square root of the given number, this one, is only 5. Okay? तो आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए क्या करना है, सिर्फ लास्ट डिजिट देखना है एंड यू हैव टू सी द टेबल, और ये देखना है कि वो किसका स्क्वायर है, देन यू कैन गेट इट्स आंसर. ओके, नाउ लेट्स प्रोसीड टुवर्ड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विदाउट डूइंग एनी कैलकुलेशन. अब आपको कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं करना है. एंड फाइंड द नंबर्स विच आर श्योरली नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. मीन्स बिना कैलकुलेशन किए हमें फाइंड करना है कि विच आर नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो चिल्ड्रन, इन प्रीवियस वीडियो आई एक्सप्लेन यू that if the number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even number of 0, अगर ये यूनिट प्लेस नंबर होता है then the given number is perfect square. Okay, so only we have to check that number. So same thing is given here, the perfect square always end with the 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Where? At unit place. तो आपको यहाँ से चेक करना है. So this is 153. So its last number is 3. So 3 is not there. That means it is not perfect square. Same here 7. So last digit is 7. So 7 also not in this 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Here also 7 not there. So it is also not perfect square. Then 8 also not perfect square. Then 4, 4, 1. So last digit is 1. So if the number ends with 1, then it is a perfect square. तो आपको बेटा सिंपल है, only you have to remember this number. Which numbers? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. और 0 भी even number of 0. So if this number, if the number ends with this number, then the given number is perfect square. तो बिना कैलकुलेशन हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया that this is perfect square and these three are not perfect square. Okay? Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3 is find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Now I told you beta you have different method to find the square root. Okay, so now first method is repeated subtraction method. So subtraction आपको पता है, subtraction means minus करना. अब यहाँ क्या दिया है आपको बेटा, repeated subtraction. तो repeated subtraction के लिए हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ odd number की सीरीज को हमको subtract करना है given number से. Okay, let's see. For example, here you have given find the square root of 100 and 169. 100 and 169 का हमें square root find करना है. So from 100 we subtract successive odd number. Okay, odd number you know that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So what you have to do, you have to subtract odd number starting from 1. Okay, so first of all from 100 we subtract 1. So 100 minus 1 it is 99. Now from this 99 we have to subtract second odd number. Second odd number is 3. So 99 minus 3 it is 96. Then from this 96 you have to subtract next odd number, that is 5. So 96 minus 5 it is 91. Then from 91 we subtract 7. So 91 minus 7 it is 84. Now 84 minus 9 that is 75. Now from 75 next odd number is 11. So 75 minus 11 64. 4. Then 64 minus 13, that is 51. Now from 51 we have to subtract 15. So it comes 36. Now 36 minus 17, so we get 19. And from 19 we have to subtract next odd number, that is 19. So 19 minus 19 we get 0. So here in repeated subtraction आपको करना क्या है? You have to subtract from the given number odd number, okay, starting from 1. तो यहाँ भी हमने वही किया है. First we subtract 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. इस तरह से हमें subtract करना है. And we have to subtract it till we will not get 0. तब तक हमें subtract करना है जब तक कि हमें 0 नहीं मिल जाता है. Now we are getting 0 here. So now you have to see how many steps. In how many steps we will get the 0. कितने steps में आपको 0 मिला है. So here we already written the number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In 10th step we get 0. It means the square root of 100 is 10 because we get 0 at 10th step. Because 0 आपको 10th step पे मिला है इसलिए उसका square root भी क्या होगा? 10. Okay, and this is the sign of square root. Okay, so square root of 100 is 10. Okay, same way next is 169. So from 169 again we subtract the odd number starting from 1. So as you subtract you get 168. Then from 168 you subtract 3, so you get 165. Then from 165 we subtract 5, so we get 160. Then you have to continue this one sum till you will not get 0. उसको आपको जब तक subtract करते जाना है तब तक कि आपको 0 नहीं मिलता है. So here we are getting 0. So these are total how many steps? 13. Okay. As you count these steps, then we get here numbers we have written. You can write the numbers so you have clear that how many steps you have done. So here 13 steps. So we have here 13. We have subtracted here 13 successive odd numbers starting from 1. So we obtained 0 at which step? 13th step. That's why the square root of 169 is 13, and this method is known as repeated subtraction method. Okay. Now let's see question number 4. Now this method here again you have given find the square roots. Again आपको क्या find करना है? Square root. But this square root you have to find by the prime factorization method. Previous first method we learned, that is repeated subtraction method. This is prime factorization method. Now what is prime factorization method? Let's see. Our first one number is 729. So children, you have learned HCF in earlier classes also. So you are aware of it, how to solve it. So same thing we have to do here. We have to take first 729. Now divisibility rule, you have to remind in your mind that first always we divide the given number by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then we divide it by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, then divide it by 5. Only we have to take prime numbers. So here first 729. So here unit place number is 9. That means it is not divisible by 2 because it is odd number. So let's check by 3. For checking with 3, we have to add all 3. So 7 plus 2, 9, and 9 plus 9, 18. That means it is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, then 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Then 243 we get. Now again by 3 table. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Then again with 3 table. So 3 2s are 6 and left here 2, that means 21. So 3 sevens are 21. Then again by 3 tables, so 3 nines are 27. Then again 3 threes are 9 and then last 3 ones are 3. So here we have to write the factors of 729. So here we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6, 3 we are getting here. So we write all the 3 in multiplication form. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now in square root you have to make pair. हमेशा आपको pair बनानी है. Make pair of two numbers. So and number should be same. So here this 2, 3 having one pair. This is second pair and this is third pair. अब आपको हर एक पेयर में से सिर्फ एक नंबर लेना है. Okay, from this pair we take 1, 3. From this pair we take 1, 3 and from third pair again we take 1, 3. And this is the sign of square root. Now we multiply this 3. So 3 into 3, 9 and 9 threes are 27. So this method is known as prime factorization method. Okay, let's check one more. So here second one is factorize 400 by prime factorization method. So 400 it is divisible by 2. So 2 twos are 4 and then 2 0 as it is. 2 ones are 2. Again this 0 as it is. Then 2 5s are 10 and then 0 as it is. Then 2 twos are 4. 2 5s are 10. Then 25 is not divisible by 3. So we divide it by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Then we write all these numbers. Okay. So as we write this number, then here one pair of 2. So from this pair we write only 1 2. Then from second pair again we write 1 2 and from third pair again we write 1 5. Then we have to multiply this 3. So 2 into 2 it is 4 and 4 into 5 it is 20. So square root of 400 is 20. So in this way you can find out square root by prime factorization method. So you have given many numbers in your book. So you have to try it and solve it. Okay. Now let's see next question. For each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Now this number whatever you have given here, it is not perfect square. ये perfect square नहीं है. But we have to make it perfect square. पर हमें इसे perfect square बनाना है by multiplying the smallest whole number. किसी whole number से multiply करके. Then also we have to find the square root of the square number so obtained. And after multiplying जो number हमें मिलेगा उसका भी हमें square root find करना है. Okay. So first here given first number is 252. So first we find the factors of 252 again by prime factorization method. So it is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 6 are 12. Then again by 2 table, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 table, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Now we write all the factors of 252. So here we get 2 is in pair and 3 also is in pair. So 7 is alone. 7 does not occur in pair. 7 की कोई pair नहीं है. Therefore, if we multiply this 7 by the given number, अगर हम इस 7 का given number से multiply कर देते हैं, then it becomes a perfect square. So 252 multiplied by 7. Same, अगर हम इधर multiply कर रहे हैं, then 1 7 is increase on that side also. So now it is in pair. So when you multiply 252 by 7, then we get 1764. And from all these three pair, we take one number. From this pair 1 2, from here 1 3, and from this we get 1 7. Now all numbers in pair. That means this 1764 is a perfect square. ये perfect square है, and its square root is 42 because 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So here what is the smallest whole number? कौन सा smallest whole number था जिससे कि हमने इसे multiply किया? That is 7. 7 is the smallest number जिसका multiplication करने पर हमें क्या मिला? 1764 and its square root is 42. Okay, so in this way we can find the smallest number. Okay, now see question number 6. Question number 6 is also same as question number 5th. Only the difference here given find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided. Means in previous question आपने क्या किया था? Multiply किया था. In this question you have to divide. So you get a perfect square. So here again in first you have given the same example 252. So when we find the factors of 252, then what we get? Here pair of 2, pair of 3, but 7 does not occur in a pair. तो अगर हम 7 का जैसे हमने previous question में multiply किया था, then it is a perfect square. Similarly अगर हम 7 को यहाँ से remove कर दें तो भी ये perfect square हो जाएगा because 2 and 3 are already in pair. So here we have to remove this 7 because in question you have given you have to divide. That's why we divide both side by 7. So when we divide both side by 7, then 252 divided by 7, and here this 7 get cut from this 7. So left here one pair of, here these 4 numbers are left, that is 2, 2, 3 and 3. So we get here 252 divided by 7, it is 36, and here this 2 pair left because 1 7 get cut. So from this pair we take 1 2, and from this pair of 3 we get 1 3. So 2 into 3 it is 6. So square root of 36 is 6. Okay. So in this way you can divide it and you can get the perfect square number. So here answer is 7. 7 is the smallest digit by which we divide it. Okay. Now other one you have to do it. Now see next question. The students of class 8th of school donated rupees 2401 in all for Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Each student donated as many as rupees as the number of students in the class. अब आपको क्या दिया है? क्लास 8th के स्टूडेंट ने मनी डोनेट किया है इन प्राइम मिनिस्टर नेशनल रिलीफ फंड and they donated total rupees 2401. Now here given each student donated as many as rupees as number of student. मतलब उन्होंने कितने मनी डोनेट किए हैं जितने की क्लास में स्टूडेंट है. जैसे 10 स्टूडेंट हैं so they donate 10 rupees. Okay, this is just an example. So you have to find the total number of students in the class. Okay, so let the here given that for each student donated as many as rupees as the number of student, means number of student and money donated both are equal. So it is given, it is equal. So suppose the money donated it is x, so number of students also it is equivalent to x, and total amount of donation it is given, it is 2401. It means x multiplied by x. Okay, x into x it is x square. So x square it is equal 2401. So you have to find the value of x. So x square, so square को जब हम उधर convert करते हैं then it change in the form of स्क्वायर रूट. तो हमें क्या करना है, 2401 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो दिस वन वी कैन फाइंड आउट सेम बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो वी गेट हियर 4 7. So from this 4 7, from each pair we take 1 7. So 1 7 from first pair and 1 7 from second pair. So 7 into 7 it is 49. That means total number of students in a class is 49. Okay. Now question number 9. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है जो कि डिविजिबल होगा किससे, 4, 9 एंड 10 से. फॉर दिस द नंबर दैट विल बी द परफेक्ट डिविजिबल बाय 4, 9 एंड 10 इज देयर LCM. ऐसा नंबर कौन सा होगा जो कि इनका LCM होगा. So first we have to find the LCM of these three numbers. So you know how to find LCM. We write all three numbers together. Now first we divide it by 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, then 2 5s are 10, then 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is, then 5, then 3 table, 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9 and 5 not divisible, so 5 as it is. Then again by 3 table, 3 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 5 as it is, and in last it is divisible by 5. So this 1 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So LCM of 4, 9 and 10, it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 180. पर अब आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया था कि इट शुड बी द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. अब ये स्क्वायर नंबर तब होगा जब इसकी सारी पेयर्स होंगी. सो लेट्स चेक. सो हियर वी आर गेटिंग 2 ऑकर इन पेयर and 3 occur in pair, but 5 does not occur in pair. It means 180 is not perfect square. Therefore 180 is multiplied by 5. जैसा कि हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में किया था, अगर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं हो, जो नंबर पेयर में नहीं हो, उसका हम गिवन नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, देन इट बिकम्स अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो हियर 180 multiplied by 5. So as we multiply 180 by 5, then we get 900, and 900 is the perfect square number which is divisible by all three number, that is 4, 9 and 10. So this was about all about the square root, how to find it by repeated subtraction method and by prime factorization method. Now other method which is left we will see in next video.